This is a Xiaomi Android TV box. In this video, I will show you how to connect and set up the Xiaomi TV box to a smart TV. This is the Xiaomi TV box. With the TV box you will get an adapter, a remote, and an HDMI cable. Now connect an HDMI cable between the TV and the Xiaomi TV box. Now plug the adapter into the TV box. Now go to your TV. Go to HDMI option. Now connect your Xiaomi TV remote to your TV. First press and hold these two buttons for 4 to 5 seconds to pair your remote with the TV. The remote is now paired with the TV. Select language. Select your region. Click Setup on TV instead. Select your Wi-Fi and connect to your TV. Now enter your Wi-Fi password. Wi-Fi is now connected. Now enter your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail account password. Now you will give permission from your phone where your Gmail account is added. Click Accept. Click Accept. Click Continue. Click Allow. Click Confirm. Now click this button 3 times. Click OK. Click Yes. Click Done. Click Agree. Now it may take 5 minutes to set up. Click Start Exploring. Now the Xiaomi Android TV box setup is finally complete.